Yo, on my grind all day, gonna make $1 million something that someday. You know I'm in the building when I write this.
Hey there, YouTube. Texas Garage here. I haven't posted a video in a while, I believe. But right now I'm just sitting in my car outside of my job for the next 2 weeks or so. Because I put my 2 weeks for there and I'm gonna get a different job. Better. Anyway, that's not the point. The point of this is that I have already ordered some brake pads and rotors, and unfortunately they're out of stock, so Moss is back ordering them. Not sure when they'll be here, but soon. I also got a new shift knob. It's one of those imitations that Moss sells as well. And finally, Darlin door bushings, and you'll see that with the video when I put them on. There is a meet at Keller's. I'm not sure if I'll be able to make it. If I can, then I'll be recording that because it's a Miata meet. We have some pretty cool Miatas there, including one of the guys from Track Dog Racing. But other than that, there's a little update. I did, if you actually saw when I pointed to this, there's actually wood trim around my radio now, which makes it look a lot cleaner. Soon I will like spray paint this black to match the plastic trim so it looks 10 times cleaner. It will still have like those wood look to it, which does look nice. But other than that, that's a little update for you. I did get my rim back. I actually had to buy a new rim for that front tire I talked about. And what happened with that was where it was bent, since it was bent at the barrel, you can't replace it. So, okay, sorry. Since it was bent at the barrel, that's irreplaceable, or unbendable. You can heat it, all that shit, but you can't replace it. So there's something to keep in mind for you guys who ever bend it that bad as me. Drive more safely than I do. Replacing rims, not cheap. No, especially if they're Enkis. Those are expensive. Ugh. Where was I? But yeah, that's what's going on today. ECM is back. If you guys remember from my video saying last ECM, meeting Evan Shanks, the main reason I put that is because of how many cars they had there. Freaking, it was over 4,000 cars. 4,000. That's a lot. And literally, that's inconceivable. But because of that, the law kind of got onto them for that, and they had to close down for a bit to sort things out. So what they actually have now is, in order to show your car, from what I believe, it's a $5 entry fee, but that entry fee also gives you a raffle ticket in order to try to win an item. So I'll be still showing off my car there. If you guys want to see me, that's happening this Sunday at Nebraska Furniture Mart in the Colony, and that is in Texas, by the way. So if you live in Texas, you're one of my subscribers, and you want to see me, go there. You'll see me recording most likely. And actually, no, it's not every Sunday now. It's actually the second Sunday of every month. So they're doing something like Cars and Coffee now. So now it's like first Saturday of every month. Now it's first Sunday. But that's that. So if you guys want to see me, go to ECM at the Nebraska Furniture Mart in the Colony in Texas. Anyway, that's all for that. And I'll see you guys later at Keller's, possibly. I'm not sure about that still.
I just spent 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. Welcome this morning, feeling so damn fly, you should probably go see my shit. Got a bunch of bad bitches waiting in the fucking lobby, you should probably go see my crib. How the hell am I supposed to fit all these bitches inside of my whip? Goddamn young nigga getting bitches. Whole team got bands, we flip it. Right around the hood, stay whipping. And if she throw that ass back, I'ma whip it. You ain't heard shit yet, this is snippet. Her ass jump like a frog, yeah, ribbon. That's the sound of a young nigga whipping. Now watch me whip.
3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. I just spent 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. Woke this morning feeling so damn fly, you should probably go see my shit. I just spent 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip.
Now watch me with 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. Now watch me with 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. Now watch me woke this morning feeling so damn fly, you should probably go see my shit. Now watch me with 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip.
My whip kill shit, stay fly like a blunt. Bands in my jeans, got me walking with a limp. Shitting on these niggas while I'm eating on some shrimp. Make the pussy wet, then let the team whip. Sonny said he spent 3 racks on the chain, so see him in his whip. Beat it, ready for takeoff. Don't too rocky, you catch this shit. Pull up in my whip, and I'm dropping my ceiling. Girls on my dick when I walk up in the building. Blessing in the ghost, and my window still tinted. Flow stupid hot, pop like a skillet. Money so low, though, boy, making business. Jumping in the crowd like a fraud, no ribbon. Man, I draw attention by the way I paint pictures. Man, I draw attention by the way I paint pictures.
I just spent 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. I just spent 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. Woke this morning feeling so damn fly, you should probably go see my shit. I just spent 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip.
Now watch me with 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. Now watch me with 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. Now watch me woke this morning feeling so damn fly, you should probably go see my shit. Now watch me with 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip.
I done bought a few looks, bought a few chains. Our niggas remember the name. Think it's a game, my niggas ain't playing. My cliques, they fly in planes. I travel by trains, we flying on jets. Our youngins just ball like the Nets. I'm catching them checks, my ice on Quebec. Just look at the links on my neck. Yeah, young nigga right here on lift off. NBA finals, I'm on tip off. Get wrong, I'ma come and take your lip off. This the wrong nigga that you want pissed off. Easy the great nigga, don't forget that. I can get broke off like a Kit Kat. If it ain't about money, cut the chit chat. The first shit, we ain't never been big that.
Spent 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. I just spent 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. Woke this morning feeling so damn fly, you should probably go see my shit. I just spent 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip.
Now watch me with 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip. Now watch me with 3 racks on a motherfucking chain, you should probably go see my whip.
When you're driving with literally fumes. Literally, I drove like 17 miles like on fumes. I can't tell you how frightening that was for me. Like, literally, it's not fun. It ain't fun. Like, literally, I was begging my car not to die when it was happening. Look at that. I'm surprised it actually made it. But yeah, look at that price. $186. Not bad for right now. After a long day at work and an exhausting, almost my car dying with no gas, what do I have to leave with? Make sure you fill your car. If it's near empty, you don't want to have the experience I did. I was literally begging my car not to die. But I didn't record much of that Colors because I was only there for like 5, 10, 15 minutes or so, and there wasn't much going on anyway. If I'm there next week, I probably will record it, but remember, this Sunday on 9/11 I will be at the ECM meet. If you want to see me there, come visit. Starts at 7 o'clock, and I'll most likely be there when it starts. So visit Texas Garage, saying like, subscribe, signing out.